Hi students, today we should learn about fundamental rights from our Indian Constitution. I would like to teach about each and every one article what teaches in our daily life regarding the fundamental rights. First I want to give a clarity about fundamental rights. What is our topic? Fundamental rights. Actually, these fundamental rights gives overall development of our individual's career. At present we have our Indian Constitution 6 fundamental rights. First one, right to equality. Second one, right to freedom. Third one, right against exploitation. Fourth one, right to freedom of religion. Fifth one, cultural and educational rights. Sixth one, right to constitutional remedies. These are, at present we have 6 fundamental rights. What is the 6 fundamental rights? One is the right to equality. Second one, right to freedom. Third one, right against exploitation. Fourth one, right to freedom of religion. Fifth one, cultural and educational rights. Sixth one, right to constitutional remedies. And the beginning of the Indian Constitution, there is actually 7 fundamental rights. In the 1978, under the Constitutional Amendment, 44th Amendment, the right to property removed from the Constitution and later it was changed into the legal act. Now we have these 6 fundamental rights. We have along with the articles, for example, right to equality, the article 14 to 18. The right to freedom 19 to 22. The right against exploitation article 23, 24. The right to freedom of religion article 25 to 28. The cultural and educational rights 29, 30. So finally, right to constitutional remedies 32. Actually, in our Indian Constitution, in a preamble part 3, the fundamental rights including article 12 to 35. And now I want to explain each and article what refers for our overall individual development in our Indian Constitution. First one, right to equality. There is article 14 to 18. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These article all refers to right to equality. First one, article 14. What is Article 14 refers? All are equal before law. So it is a sense there is no rich man, there is no poor people in a country. The government or the head of the institution of the Supreme Court or any judiciary can treat all the people in an equal manner. Like regarding the Article 15. The Article 15 refers, there is no discrimination based on the caste, race, sex, the place of birth. Then there is no discrimination among the people of the India or society. Then as Article 16. What is Article 16 refers? The Article 16 refers, there is equal opportunity in a public matters like employment, like IAS, IPS. The government should focus on the people to provide equal manner job opportunities. The next one, Article 17. The Article 17 refers to the abolition of the untouchability. So finally, Article 18. Article 18 refers to the abolition of the titles. That means the Indian government should provide titles to the citizen of the India. We are not allowed to maintain our own titles. So the right to equality gives the proper enrichment to our development. Second one, the right to freedom. What is the right to freedom? Articles 19 to 22. The Article 19 refers again 6 freedom of speeches in our life. For example, first one, freedom of speech or expression. Like that in the Article 19 refer to, we can move one place to another place freely. We can make a assembly freely. We can form the association. We can choose our occupation or business or anything like that. For example, Article 19 refer, we have a lot of freedom, liberty to develop our life. And last, Article 19. The Article 20. The Article 20 refer. Article 20 refer, we can against any discrimination activities from anyone. We have a freedom to against we can solve our problem by our own. The next one, Article 21. Article 21 refer right to life. The right to life is the most important right in our present in the society. Again in this 21, there is Article 21A. The Article 21A refers to right to education. Right to education. Below 14 years children compulsory they will send to the school only. Education, to provide education. Next, Article 22. Finally, in the right to freedom, Article 22 refer to against the illegal arrest from any official or anyone. So we can have a right to ask the question to the why you are arresting me like that way. Next, right against exploitation. It is the most important fundamental right in our life. 23, 24. Here, right against exploitation. 23, prohibited the forced labor in anywhere or any job field. Article 24 refers, prohibited forced child labor in a mining, any factories, anywhere. Next, right to freedom of religion. It is a very sensible matter in the society. Then Article 25 to 28 refer about the right to freedom of religion. Article 25 refer to, we can practice our own religion. We can spiritual with any devotion path in our life. We have a right, freedom. That 26, Article 26 refer, we can celebrate or participate in our religious matters. It is we have a freedom. Article 27. Article 27 refers, we no need to pay the tax to the government based on the religion. We can make institution any religious event without paying any tax. Number 28. This religious, the right to freedom of religion, Article 28 refer. We have some minority rights regarding the religion. We don't have to offer to any religion. We don't criticize any religion. We accept that we should follow the secular. The Indian government not involved in any religious affairs. The fifth one, cultural and educational rights. It is the most important cultural and educational rights. There are two articles referred here. Regarding these two articles, 29 and 30. 29. The 29 article refers to the minorities have some right to establish their own institutions, like minorities have that, like some of the Christian, Muslim, they can able to establish their own religious institutions and universities. Like 30 also, article 30 also refers to that. They can able to follow their own religion, minority rights. They have a proper minority rights. Finally, the right to constitutional remedies. Under the article 32, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was the chairman and father of the Indian Constitution. He said the soul and heart of the Constitution is the right to constitutional remedies right. If in case above these fundamental rights harmful by anyone, we have a right to approach the police station or court. Again we return back our rights by the using of this right. Right is our main weapon to change our life as well as the society. For example, not only we should thinking about rights. If you have a rights, we should thinking about responsibilities also. For example, we are taking some rights from the parents in a family. Like this way, the government should provide these wonderful rights in our life. But at the same time, we have 11 fundamental duties. How many fundamental duties? 11 fundamental duties. That means we have some responsibilities also to developing our nation as economically, socially as well as politically. Okay, thank you all.